So here is the repository for this, what I call the submission cleaner for Canvas. So you can clone this into your own repository and you'll get something that looks like this. So you have an in folder. You'll need to add the in folder. You don't necessarily need to add the out folder. So in this in folder, we're going to drag and drop. I have this example of what we might see. We'll get a zip file with all the students' names. This is just some fake data with the 2 numbers and then their real name. And a lot of times it'll have this -1 or this 2, stuff like that, that either Canvas adds or when students submit multiple times. What this does here is I have this called num remover. So if I run this, you'll see it'll ask me what assignment name. So let's say, this might be the final project. Then what I can do is you'll notice everything in this in folder has been removed. And so it'll create this assignment final project. And you'll notice it took the name of each student. So it did remove all of the extra stuff on there. And it should work for many, even if it has an underscore in the name, it should work for a lot of different cases there. It's not guaranteed. If a student puts -1 or the parentheses 1 or any number, then it will be removed. So it's not perfect, but it's very uncommon for students to do that normally. So then if you just go to Python Anywhere, that's what we use or that's what I use to grade. You can create a new directory, call it like submissions. There we go. We can upload this. Where did it go? Oh, submissions. Out. We can upload the zip file. Open the bash console. So then you can do unzip and then the file name, which was assignment final project.zip. It'll print a whole bunch of stuff. And if we go back to our Python Anywhere submissions folder, you'll see here's our zip. You can delete that if you want. You don't have to keep it. And we have this assignment final project, and inside we have each student. And then we can just open these up and run them. And they should be good. But like I said, if there is an error, don't automatically assume that it's the name is correct. You should check Canvas first and then check back. But this does save a lot of hassle. I've used this on the last assignment I graded for students, and it really helped cut down the time on downloading, renaming, and all this stuff, especially when students are importing files and so on. So hopefully this helps.